This week we'll be learning how to create products, programs, or services and have them for sale in the shopping cart on your XpanZion enterprise platform. Having items in your shopping cart on your website allows for the opportunity to make money while you sleep. This means you can be open for business 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and 365 days a year. This week we'll learn how to create products, programs, services, or event tickets, how to create categories in your shopping cart, and how to customize your shop page on your website. So let's get started. I'll set up a share screen. All right, so the first thing that we want to do is when we're in the back panel, back office of our XpanZion system, go to in the black bar on the top, click on Sales. It's usually one of the first ones, ours is like in the 4th position from the left. And when you get to Sales, look on the left side, the menu on the left, under Dashboard and Sales, go down to Products and click on Products. Now when this page loads, it shows cards for all the products that you have, and then in the upper left you can click the Create button to create a new product. So when this form view loads, we'll see that there's 2 blue areas, so these are the mandatory fields. The first field is product name, so I'll just put like Bob the Builder website remodel. So I'll create a Bob the Builder website remodel product. And then we notice underneath the product name, we've got 3 boxes, 3 check boxes for can be sold. If it's an event subscription, you check this box, and can be purchased. So these the first and third box come default checked, so I'm going to leave it like that. And then we come down to this product type. And if we click on this, it's a pull down that we see we have choices of consumable, service, or stockable product. So consumable is something like a ebook, potentially, like something that there's no limit to inventory. So if you never have to worry about an inventory situation and you can just ship it out whenever you have orders, it can be a consumable. If it's like a consultation or a session, some sort of service that you offer, you can select service, and if there is inventory considerations and you have a set amount of your product, you can click stockable products so that your XpanZion system will keep track of your inventory, and it won't be able to sell it if there is no inventory on that product. You have an area for internal reference. If you have internal reference numbers, you can put it here. System is capable to do barcodes. That's much more advanced, but if you need help with barcodes, you can contact us and we'll help you with that. Then over here on the right side is where you put in the sale price. So like mine might be $997 sale price. And then if you have a cost, you can put it in here. So remember that this is an enterprise system and it's got accounting integrated. And so you can keep track of cost and revenue and get your statements that you need right out of your system. And then the next thing I want to point out is, so that's basically, okay, we should look up here in the upper left before we move on. And this is where the product image would go. So if you hover over this and it's in the upper left, it's got a camera with a circle and a line through it. So if you hover over that right next to product name and click on the edit pencil, this will open up your file manager on your computer. So you can pick your image that you want to put there for your product image. And then while we're here, the next thing I want to teach is how to set up a different category on your shop. So you can also do that from here in the back office. So I clicked on Sales, the Sales tab here about in the middle of the form view. We'll talk about price lists a little bit in a minute. That's also more advanced. I just want to touch on it. But we're looking down here at the bottom of this form where it's got website categories. So here you can type in any category you want. So maybe you wanted to put in service. So you type it in, and then if it hasn't been created yet, you can just click on create service or whatever the category that you enter in is. These other fields underneath the website category are for suggested products or accessory products. So it's kind of like if you've been on Amazon, Amazon will suggest other products that people have bought if they bought what you're getting. Or if there's any accessories that go with the product that you're selling, you could enter them here in the accessory field. So price list is going to be a class of its own, but that's how you're going to be able to get a coupon code. And again, if that's something important to you sooner, you can contact us and we'll help you get your price list set up so you can have coupon codes. All right, so when you have everything set here, how you want it for your product, then you can click the Save button. And I'm going to just click Discard because I don't need this product right now. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is go over to the front. So what you're going to do is go back in the black bar on the top and click on Website. Could be under More. If it's all the way on the, if you don't see Website, click More and that pull down, you'll see Website. But I've got another tab, so I'll just switch over to my other tab. So when you get to the website, that will take you to your home page. If you have Shop in your menu, just click on Shop. If you don't have Shop in your menu, go up in your URL in the menu bar, and after your domain name, put /shop. So it would look like this if I take the code out of there. So I'm on the abqleap.org website. So it would be abqleap.org/shop. And that will take you to your shop page. And then once you're on the shop page, I'm going to demonstrate how to customize the shop page. So this works a lot like any other web page, where in the upper left, when you're logged in, you have the Edit button. So if we click the Edit button, and then you have blocks that will slide out, so the drawer will slide out, and you will be able to drag a block on top like that if you wanted to, or you could even put it on the bottom of the page. I'm not going to use a block. I'm just going to demonstrate for these products. So this is actual products in the shopping cart. You can click in the white area on any one of the products, and you get the customized menu on top that shows up. And under the customized menu, if you click on it, and then you go down and hover over size and then slide over, this allows you to pick how much space on the page that each product takes up. So this one I've got it 1 square tall by 2 squares wide, so it's evenly stacked through my page. Some other options under Customize. So styles, if you want to choose sales ribbon, that will put a sale ribbon on your product if you're having a sale. And image full will make the image a little bit larger. So again, both of those, I'll take them back off. And then promote, so this is how you move your products around. So you can push it up and push it down, push it to the top or push it to the bottom. And it takes a little bit of strategy, so think of the order that you want it and then push them up or push them down in the starting with the last one first, or first one last, either way, and get them in the order that you want them in. And so then when you have this page customized how you want it, click the Save button. I'm just going to discard because I didn't really make any changes. Okay, so while we're here on the shopping cart, a couple more things I'll point out before we finish our training today. So the first thing is under Content. If you click on Content, you have New Product. So that would be a quick way to start a new product and do it from the front side of the website. So it would create the product, you'd be able to edit the price there and be able to edit the product page, bring blocks into the page and add some copy there if you wanted to. Also, to the right of Content is Customize. If you click on Customize, this is going to give you some options that are specific to the shopping cart page, such as product description, add to cart. So if you click the add to cart button, check this box, it will put a button for the cart right here on the page. So it's going to save a click and not have to go into the product page first. Shipping points is for shipping and calculating shipping. Product categories, so if you want your categories to show up on the left side of the page, you click this button. And then a couple other options there. So you can play with those options under Customize, and that's going to be unique to each page that you're on within the cart. So I'll click into this Leap Elite Monthly, so we get here to the product page. And if we go under Customize here, we're going to see that it has some different options. So select quantity, list view of variants. What variants are is if you've got like a t-shirt business and you've got different colors of t-shirts that you could be chosen, those would be variants, and the different sizes of t-shirts would be variants. So you can have one shirt that's like the orange shirt and then pick the size that you want. So that would be variants, and that again is more advanced. And if you need help getting variants on your products, reach out and we'll help you. Also suggested products. So if you want suggested products to show, click that button. Product attributes, discussion and rating. So if you want to allow comments on this product page and allow people to rate the product, you can click that button. And that's a 5-star rating system that they use there. Or shipping points. So again, the shipping, if you want that to show up here. And so I'll click the Add to Cart button. So let's kind of go through this process. So the Add to Cart button shows that I have a couple things in my shopping cart. And I have a coupon code box here. So again, under the Customize menu in the upper right, we're going to see that we have still more options here when we get this far into the cart process. So you've got extra step option. And to be honest, I'm not sure what that does, and feel free to play and see what these buttons do if you're interested. Suggested products in my cart, continue shopping button, and the coupon code. So I had to click this button to make the coupon code show up on this page. And if I would clear this code, it would set the prices back to full price. So when the page reloads, we see that everything is full price because the coupon code has been removed. So the next step would be processing the checkout. And then, so this would come down to the payment processor that you choose. A lot of people, when they get started, start with PayPal, and that's a very easy thing to do, and we can help you with that if you're ready to get your PayPal hooked up. Or if you're doing large volume sales and you need a more professional merchant service solution, we can help with you there too. We've got to communicate and find out what gateway you're using. I mean, we'll help you get through the technical details. Contact us and we'll help you with anything that you need as far as getting your payment processor hooked up.